You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce these words once and for all correctly. If you want to learn similar names, there are different conditions of that type, and many mispronounce them. Stay tuned. I've got more videos for you can learn from. Dysgraphia, yes, it comes from graphic, neurological disorder, disability that concerns the ability to write. Dysgraphia, all right? It's not dysgraphia. Dysgraphia. Dysgraphia, the stress on the gra syllable, dysgraphia. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.